I'm pleased to announce that MANTA has initiated liquidity staking on the Bifrost Dapp. Today, we will demonstrate how to cross-chain MANTA and stake it for liquidity on Bifrost. First, open the MANTA staking page at Bifrost Dapp/staking/vMANTA. Click across in to move MANTA from the MANTA Polkadot network to the Bifrost Polkadot network. Enter the quantity of MANTA to be transferred and click across in to complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. After crossing in, input the quantity of MANTA you want to stake for liquidity in the staking module. Click Stake to complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. You will receive the derived asset vMANTA after staking MANTA. More applications for vMANTA will be available soon.